Once you've drawn and labelled your design, it's time to make some tracing paper pieces. These tracing paper pieces are going to be used as pattern pieces, which will allow you to cut out the right shapes and sizes of your fabric so that you don't go wrong and waste any fabric. Trace your design by separating out all of the shapes that you're going to need. So don't trace it by copying it exactly. After you've traced one shape, move the tracing paper and then trace the new shape separately. Keep moving your tracing paper after each shape so they are all separate. This will be the best way to create pattern pieces for this project. Depending on the level of detail in your design, it might be a good idea to label your pattern pieces with the colours of fabric that is needed for each pattern piece. Now it's time to grab your scissors to cut out the pattern pieces.